Snow will likely make it a messy morning for folks heading to worship services. Michelle Fiore joins us live on the north side, where one church is getting ready for what may come. Michelle.
Eastbrook Church tells me that just like the Postal Service, the rain, sleet, or snow, they never close. But some of the people sitting in his pews didn't want to chance their own luck. With snow on their minds, those who typically worship on Sundays got a jump start this weekend.
Well, because of the snow, we decided that we would come to church tonight.
Arlene Gabrielson did the same. She's not going anywhere on Sunday.
Well, I'm planning to stay home.
For those who will drive in it, Eastbrook will be ready.
We're just trying to take our normal precautions and make sure the lots are clear as best we can for people with that ongoing snow.
Staff will arrive early to check it all out.
We pray for a special shield of protection that no snow would fall on us. No, I'm joking.
Before church, it will be about the cleanup.
Well, I hope the snow thrower starts tomorrow.
But after church, it'll be about the game. The Super Bowl's a big moneymaker for taxis. So what kind of snow preps are they doing?
Always we are ready for the big snow because the drivers, they know, and we send the message to when we have expecting snow, how many inches, and they will be prepared for that.
Ali Mohammed says his fleet has vehicles with front-wheel drive, and drivers often put heavy bags of rock salt in the trunk.
I wish the backers will be on the Super Bowl.
Do you think that would have made it a busier day for you?
Oh my God, you can't believe. If backers win, always we have the busy time.
Now you can see a very light snowfall is just beginning to come down here. One woman tells me that her Super Bowl plans have had to change. Her children from Illinois and Indiana won't be able to make it up here now for the big game. Reporting live on the north side, Michelle Fiore, today's TMJ4.
All right, thanks, Michelle.